Playa del Carmen is the second fastest growing city worldwide and one of the cities with the greatest investment opportunities. Currently, there are more than 100 real estate developments being commercialized in the Riviera Maya and Playa del Carmen. That is why it is important to know in detail what each one offers and what are the main factors that you should consider when evaluating the options. Here are 4 priorities that you should take into account when deciding to invest. 1. Guarantee. Make sure that when you buy your property, you are offered a business model that guarantees long-term appreciation. Ask yourself, who is the administrator and how long are they committed? What amenities and associated brands does the project offer? For example, does it have a private beach club? 2. Enjoy. Invest where you have a concept free of worries and expenses, where you only dedicate to enjoy your property in the Caribbean, without the details related to maintenance, administration, and expenses generated by your residents. 3. Return on investment. This indicator that allows to measure the profitability of the investment made and is measured in 2 aspects. The savings generated by a property with services and amenities expense-free. The profitability that your property generates when renting. When talking about return on investment, you must look into the numbers that support this claim. How long has the development been operating and giving these results? Very important, what other expenses are not being considered in the promised return? These will decrease your profit. 4. Trust. Before deciding, ask yourself about these questions. In the hands of who you are putting your assets? What experience does the real estate developer have with the business model that he proposes? What has been the company trajectory and for how many years have they been in the market? Which brands are the different projects associated with? Contact us and receive options on how to create a customized plan to invest in your next residence in Playa del Carmen. Now is the time. The Fives Hotels and Residences, an investment in lifestyle like no other.